catch. First fish of the day, Cutty, yeah.
Yeah. Nice catch, dude.
Nice Cutty.
He's on there all right. Feels decent.
Let's go. Bite's hot. Good job. That's disgusting.
Chill. This guy?
Oh, we took him. He is a nice Cutty.
No! Get off.
One more time.
The frisbee almost fell off today. That wasn't good.
Oh, okay. Alright. See ya.
Come on. Catch. Sick. Kitty. Sick. Oh, yeah.
Dude, sick footage, bro.
Yes. Oh, dude, he just like duked on you.
Did he?
Yeah, he just duked. Zoom in on that duke.
Oh, Joe, here, can you hold this?
Are you getting bites?
Ow. Cool cut.
Nice catch. What do you got to say for yourself?
Cool got one.
Michael's got one.
Let's go. Bite's hot.
Too busy filming. Wow, that was quick.
Yeah, they're high up. You gotta go really high up,
like
Joe. 7 feet deep.
They're super high up right now. That's the word on the street.
You're flopping around in my little puddle down here.
Nice catches. We got 2 in the boat so far.
3 in the boat.
3 in the boat. Working on 4.
Cold hand.
I'm about to catch one. Nice. Let's get a close up of that. Oh, jeez.
Alright, just get the release.
Oh,
Okay.
Alright. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's a nice one there. Nice cut. Ah, nice cut. Nice cut. Shoot.
See what you got, Joe.
Alright. We're on the board. Cutthroat.
Ooh, nice one.
Outdoors with the cutthroat. We're outdoors. Can you get the spots on the top?
Yeah,
Nice.
that is a nice Cutty. Good job.
You get the mustache?
I don't think anyone wants to see
Oh, he's going down your
it.
hole.
Down the other hole, I guess.
Just kidding.
Good release.
Go, buddy. Nice.
Good Joe, great job. Here, get the stash for the people. God, that's disgusting. They're healthy.
Nice catch.
It's got a little Mackie on there with the pink jig head.
Look at how many marks I have.
Get some strike action.
There's so many. Yeah, jaw jacket's for sure gonna go off. Look at that. Look at how many marks there are.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Just trying to get down.
Dude, I'm gonna get this strike up. Oh,
I think the battery indicator might be broken. That's my problem. Might have a bad connection with the battery.
dude, this is sick.
Busy. You could see him like a foot under the ice.
Bit it 3 times and came back right under.
Yeah.
Best Cutty of the day.
Thank you.
Fish on.
I might have just took him from. Oh. No, he's still there. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Chill.
Jeez,
Jesus. chill. Chill. Oh, there's one.
Oh!
Shoot, we got two boys. I just saw your thing. Oh, dang, that was a nice one. Oh, he got off. That just went slack.
Dude, that was like a
That went
decent...
slack.
It did? Should we try it?
I could reel it in. I was gonna get one, but...
Oh yeah, he's on there.
Hey.
He's on there all right.
Fish on.
Feels decent. Nothing crazy, but decent. Always bobbing.
Like swallowed like no other.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. Spaz. Nice. Not bad. Not bad for the rookum. I'm puking. Uh-oh. What's he got on him?
Oh, he's got the old Perone.
Go, don't say that. I don't know.
Oh, yeah. Another cutty.
Cutthroat Outdoors for the Cutthroat Outdoors.
Oh, he's got some nasty teeth on him.
Not the most graceful today.
Look at these. See his teeth? Look how sharp those are. That's not normally like that, is it?
Yeah, they
It's like
that.
walleye
Look
teeth.
at that. Joe, I would not do that.
Right.
Look at that.
Do it again.
Alright.
Okay, it's getting weird.
Joe.
It's getting weird.
It's too much. Can I get a scoop?
It's Valentine's Day, you know, we all have that special someone.
What do you got?
They like come at you and then they just dart away, you know, it's like they're scared of something. Oh, 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 come on, come on.
Oh,
Oh,
oh.
oh, oh. Oh.
Another cutty. Beautiful. Got him on the tube jig. Should be nice.
Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Come on. Time for a bait change.
It's a really nice one.
That was really nice. Lots.
Big. That's nicer. We put on the tube jig. White tube jig's working a lot better.
Ready?
Slimy.
Yeah, you catch. Did it move?
Oh, he took it on the way down. Coming back for more. You see this guy? Oh, he took it on the way down.
Let's go.
You little punk.
Nice.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a good one.
Oh. Beautiful cutty on the tube jig.
This one's nice.
This one's nice, yeah.
Beauty.
Oh, come on, buddy. Come on. Oh, it's so hard to grab him.
Here, you got your rod.
Oh, thanks. Come on, buddy. Ah, okay. Yeah, nice.
Yeah. Death grip on him.
This cutty. Job, Joe.
It was a fishing Joe. pretty good so far. I just adopted a new method of jigging.
What do we got?
Call it the tap method. So what you do is you stick your finger right there and just tap it. Just light.
Yeah.
Nice light bite.
Has that been working pretty good?
Mm-hmm. Got like 3 cuts on it.
Yeah. What are you using?
You want to check and see it?
Sure.
See it?
Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, if you don't mind.
Jeez.
Wow, that's quite the jig head you have there. Let's take a look, see what Joe's using. Ugly looking silver jig head with little plastic and wormy.
Yeah, it's sponsored by Michael's Bait and Tackle Shop by Michael Scott.
Best in town.
Baits by Michael.
Baits by Michael.
As you notice, Michael does not have the goggles on today.
No, I'm a normal person.
Yeah, but
You tipping it with a night crawler is pretty good. That's worked pretty decently. Yeah, basically what you do, you just like.
Can we see the tap action?
yeah. Can you put it back down? Let's see if you get one. Oh, really good. Let me zoom in a little more. Wow, that's really good action, Joe.
Everything.
And where are we at right now? I don't think we've mentioned that.
We're on the ice right now.
Okay. I guess we're keeping our location to ourselves.
We're in a town somewhere on the planet.
Can you mention what state we're in?
Utah.
Oh,
Utah.
okay. And there's about 2 feet of ice, 1.5 feet. There's a lot.
You did.
Is he still down there?
Still there? Let's see.
Oh, I had a bite, but I'm focusing on Joe right now. Oh, I got one.
Hold on. Nuts.
Pass off the camera. The boys are getting fish everywhere.
Yeah.
Oh, let's go.
Oh, nope. These guys.
I'm wrapped around the next look.
Dude, that's so crazy. They just come out of the depths.
Oh,
there he is right there. Oh,
Oh,
see if Joe.
I see one too.
Joe, yours is gone.
Yeah, but I just saw one swing by.
Yeah, he's.
Well, can I fish? Or should I
He's
keep?
just cruising, dude.
That is just on. See if you can zoom in down there. He is a nice cutty.
Oh yeah, that's
Joe, move your chair.
No!
Oh,
Get off.
put it back down. Put it back down.
Dang.
Oh, he's still there.
Yeah, he's coming.
Oh, he hit it.
Got it.
Oh,
Get it back down. Get it back down.
He just sideswiped a little bit. Oh, he took my worm. He's probably gone.
dude.
Damn.
I saw him come back and hit that. That was nuts.
There you go.
Got
him back.
Dude.
What a battle.
Oh, the comeback.
Oh,
Dude.
man.
That was impressive.
Oh,
Oh, oh, oh,
okay.
Okay,
Oh.
buddy. Okay.
Joe. Oh,
My fish.
He's still.
Joe claimed him. Beauty.
Thanks for the
Dang,
fun,
that's
buddy.
nice.
Yeah, that was quite
That's
the.
crazy.
You got your worm. I got my fun.
Yeah, dude.
So what happened? Can we get a recap?
Big fish on. Messed with him to get him on the video. Got him up, popped off, bit it twice. Took my worm, dropped right back underneath the ice, and he smacked it again. And then
Dang.
Joe stole my fish.
Joe, what are you doing?
Stealing fish. That's mine now.